One of my favorite stats within the fitness industry is that 80% of personal trainers quit within the first 12 months. Now, it's not my favorite stat because I'm a horrible person and I want people to fail. It's because it shows how much credit you deserve if you can make it past this 12-month period. And as business owners, it's very easy for us, and we have that tendency to always be looking forwards, the goals that we need to achieve. We compare ourselves to maybe other coaches or creators that seem to be doing better than us. But the truth is, you don't actually know the reality behind someone's business. Even in my industry, which is slightly adjacent to the fitness industry in terms of, kind of the content creation advisory space, if you will, I've seen so many creators that have 50,000 followers, 200,000 followers, that I've had to completely delete their accounts altogether. They've gone into different niches. I know one guy that was massive in my space, got around 200,000 followers, and is doing really successful. So it's great to see. But it's in a completely different niche with helping men with their marriages and things of this nature. And another creator that I sort of looked up to, and I say looked up to, it was more so, and this is more on me and one of my character flaws, if you will. I get quite jealous when I see other people maybe in my niche and my field kind of doing successful, or what I deem to be more successful than me, which again is not something I'm proud of, but we're being honest here. And he didn't post for 3 months, and he's only just come back now because he was completely burnt out and didn't know what to create anymore, and just stopped creating altogether. And it's very, very easy for us to kind of look on the outside, just as I did with those creators, and think that they're doing so much better than me, and their business must be so much better than mine, and they must be making a lot more money. All these kind of negative stories that we tell ourselves, and they're fabricated. So this is just a quick reminder that business isn't linear. We always expect our business to start at, if we're talking in money terms, that we start with zero and we're always progressing up and always making more money. But that just isn't the reality, unfortunately. For a lot of us, we hope that it's still an upward trend over time. The problem is that time scale is usually just a lot longer than what we anticipate and what we always plan for. Even if you try to be sort of long term with your thinking and can understand why this is beneficial, naturally we all get sucked into these little short moments where we might have a little dip in revenue. We might have a few clients drop off kind of suddenly and out of nowhere. And especially as I record this video in August, summertime is particularly a quieter time for sort of personal trainers and online coaches. Just know that this is part of the process and it is completely natural as well. So a reminder that you are not doing as bad as you tell yourself, no matter, kind of what you're seeing online with the, everyone seems to be making 10, 20, 50, 100K a month, and you're not quite there yet. It's absolutely fine. You're not alone in this. There are many people in your situation. There are many people envious of your situation, because I don't obviously have the stats for online coaching specifically, but I would imagine it's much higher percentage than even the more confirmed stats of 80% of personal trainers quitting within the first 12 months. When you think about it, it is absolutely mental. So just a reminder, if you've made it past those first 12 months, you're still operating, you still have clients in the business, you still provide a good service, you're still creating content as you know you should be, you're doing better than you give yourself credit for. So just a reminder to make sure to actually give yourself this credit. And this is day 3 of my 30-day posting on YouTube challenge. This is a little bit of a shorter video today than the last 2. Again, we're managing to record these without a script and all in one go, which I'm super happy with for myself, selfishly speaking. So that was day 3. If you are new around here, my name is Joe, and I help online fitness coaches create better content so that they can get more clients from this content. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4.